Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make liposomes in the lab. First, dissolve lipids in an organic solvent like chloroform in a round bottom flask. Next, remove the solvent using a rotary evaporator to form a thin lipid film on the flask's inner surface. Ensure the film is uniform and completely dry to prevent solvent residues from affecting liposome formation. This initial step is crucial for creating the foundational lipid structure. After forming the lipid film, hydrate it with an aqueous buffer solution containing your desired encapsulated material. Gently swirl or vortex the flask to allow the lipid film to peel off and form multilamellar vesicles. For smaller, more uniform liposomes, use sonication or extrusion. Extrusion involves passing the suspension through polycarbonate membranes with specific pore sizes, such as 100 nanometers, to achieve a narrow size distribution. Once liposomes are formed and sized, purify them to remove any unencapsulated material. Dialysis is an effective method, allowing small molecules to pass through a semi-permeable membrane while retaining the larger liposomes. Alternatively, ultracentrifugation can pellet the liposomes, separating them from the supernatant. Proper storage, typically at 4 degrees Celsius, is vital to maintain their integrity and prevent degradation over time. Liposomes have diverse applications, from targeted drug delivery in medicine to gene therapy and diagnostic imaging. Always work under sterile conditions to prevent contamination, especially if your liposomes are for biological applications. Characterize your liposomes for size, lamellarity, and encapsulation efficiency to ensure quality. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Following these guidelines will help you achieve successful and reliable liposome preparations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.